The Railways Women's Cricket Team is the most successful Indian domestic team in women's cricket circuit. They have won 11 of the 13 edition of one-day format and 9 out of 11 editions in T20 format. It's not habit anymore, it has become a legacy. They give the player job security, provides with better facilities and nurtures to international standard cricketers. As women's cricket flourishes more and more in India, here we present a real unsung force behind this growth, Indian Railways. To support our work, do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more. The team is run by Railway Sport Promotion Band RSPB, one of the most dedicated, acclaimed and respected sports organizations of India, which promotes as much as almost 30 sport disciplines. A report of PTI says, as of mid-2017, they already had 20 Padma Shris, 4 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardees, 158 Arjuna awardees, 9 Dhyanchand awardees and 7 Dronacharya awardees in their kitty. The number tally has gone up in last few years too. RSPB is a member of the BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India too. The major 2 domestic leagues in senior women's cricket in India are Senior Women's One-Day League, started in 2006 to 2007, and Senior Women's T20 League, started in 2009 to 2010. From the very beginning of both of these 2 tournaments, it's only one team dominating, Railways. They won 11 of the 13 edition of one-day format and 9 out of 11 editions in T20 format, 7 of which came in consecutive years from the start of the tournament. As they say, competition in Railways team is tougher than Indian cricket team itself. Can't absolutely reject those words actually. For years after years, Indian cricket team has consisted normally more than even 7 to 8, most of the times the count going to even 10 or more Railways cricketers throughout the time. Guess what? In a semi-final against Bengal, they had 10 players in the starting 11 who have represented India. The other one member, Asha Joy, is regular member in Indian A team, and their bench also included 4 international Indian players, 8 to 9 of which was the part of the Indian team against recently concluded series against South Africa. Indian Railways is the only organization till now that offers job to women cricketers on regular basis. No doubt, that is one of the biggest steps from them in order to prosper women's cricket. This gives so much financial stability to the cricketers that they can fully focus on their game, forgetting all the tensions of food, shelter and future. Every Railways cricketer admits that, admire that and thankful for that. And the achievement for the larger aspect for Railways is being able to take up this same initiative in other sports too. Well, in the light of second point mentioned above, let's mention the runner-up Indian women's team in 2017 ODI World Cup. India has 10 players from Railways team. After the inspiring show in that World Cup, which actually brought the format to some limelight for the very first time, Railways announced a cash award of 13 lakh rupees for each of the 10 cricketers. The blistering 171 not-out performance against Australia by Harmanpreet Kaur earned her also a promotion to Gazette rank. Team Railways is simply the hub of hand-picked good cricketers from the different parts of India. They keep on monitoring players from the different domestic teams throughout the seasons. If anyone catches their attention, they simply offer them. Sometimes team inclusion, sometimes good job and team inclusion. They also have 8 regional teams like North Central Indian Railways Women, Southern Indian and so on, each on which recruits player by advertisement, trial and selection method. Indian Railways also conducts a tournament among them sometimes, and players get selected to main team of Railways from there too. 2017-18 edition of which was won by Western Indian Railways women. A truly brilliant setup. At last we come to the final part, nurturing the hand-picked bucket of players to make them international icons. The Railways team has always been stars of the game of that time, be it Diana Edulji back then or Mithali Raj now. Railways team never got short of global stars in the dressing room to guide players and give them the taste of international standard straight away. The healthy environment and ever so helping seniors hardly hesitates to guide newcomers for the sake of betterment of India in the sport. A big squad with lots and lots of talented players also keeps the competition high always. As they say, healthy competition, like a bad match, and global stars like Poonam Yadav and D. Hemalatha lost their place in starting lineup against Bengal. Yes, this is the level of their bench strength. Another big thing is their approach for betterment of every player. Mithali Raj revealed in a documentary by FemaleCricket.com website how each batswoman gets chance to practice for almost 20 to 25 minutes every day, and bowlers bowling non-stop for hours after hours along with fitness practice. And this is a big secret behind the rise of the next-gen superstars like Ekta Bisht, Rajeshwari Gaikwad, Arundhati Reddy, Asha Joy, Mona Meshram, Nusrat Parveen, D. Hemalatha, along with now flourishing players like Poonam Rawat, Poonam Yadav, with legends like Mithali Raj and Harmanpreet Kaur. Here's a lot of thank you from K-lovers to Indian Railways with lots of admiration, love and good wishes for the coming years. Keep up the good work and hold the head of Indian female cricket high. We really need more organizations like you.